Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. But this is my first unboxing video. So today, my first unboxing video. Today I have Five Nights at Freddy's keychains. So we could either get pictures on the left. We could either get Roxanne Wolf, Glamrock Freddy, Mongory Gator, Glamrock Chica, Vanny, Vanessa, or a rare secret character. I think that's Gregory though. So we're just gonna open this. Oh god, too hard to open this, but still we'll do it. We'll make it happen. Alright, so I think we got, alright, let's see in 3, 2, 1. We got Glamrock Chica. Nice little keychain. A good figurine. Is there anything else? Nope. And we got this thing. I don't know what it's for, but we got it. And then we got the Chica figurine. So yeah, this is the Glamrock Chica. On the packet right here, Glamrock Chica, I got that one. And I'm gonna do a short on rating this Chica toy. But like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.